It's a well-known fact that throughout the entire global workforce, from online entrepreneurs to established companies, from startups to the Fortune 500, communication is the #1 tool that has an immediate impact and effect on influencing decisions. Being vocal online and having the ability, the technical ability to write emails and to communicate with people via the written word is one thing. But to nurture the courage, ability and skill set to stand up in front of others, your colleagues, investors, partners, future teammates and peers, is a very different skill indeed. And one that really excels people fast. Faster than anyone's ever told you, faster than you could ever believe. Communication is key in all areas of life. And I know because I've been teaching this stuff for almost 12 years now. And as I've progressed, so has the quality of my clients' lifestyle, income, and reach. Most people don't know these specific details and often go off on courses to learn the technical knowledge of how to make more money, but they forget the most fundamental part of being human. You are human. You are a physiological machine. Your body is your instrument. How you treat your instrument has an immediate effect on how you think and feel. And how you think and feel has an immediate impact on how others see you, how you appear to the world, the story that you tell, the way you breathe, the way you stand, the way you hold yourself. Your voice is a culmination of all these things. And if you want to make more money, if you want to get into a better position in work, if you want to start your own business, you need to have a voice. You need to have a voice that's listened to. Communication is your ability to be heard. Not your ability to speak, not your ability to understand technically what to say. It's your ability to get others to listen to you. You're not communicating just by speaking. You're communicating when people take in your message. And how do we do that? We need to find relaxation in our body because we need to be resonant. We need to be present. We need to be emotionally secure. We need to be articulate and clear in our words. Otherwise, we don't reach people and they can't take our message. Because in society and business, if people can't hear you, you don't go further. You stay on the same plane. And maybe that's what's happened to you. Maybe you've seen other people pass you by, go up the ladder quicker than you. And maybe it's because they had better communication skills. They were able to offer their ideas in such a way that others understood it. Look, if you're watching this, it's most likely that you have a passion driving you, something to succeed, and you want that more than anything. Otherwise, you wouldn't be looking at these videos. And there's plenty of advice online. It's good. I'm so glad you found me. Honestly, because without your instrument working for you, how can you expect to deliver and communicate with others with resonance, confidence, and authority? That's going to gain people's respect. That's going to gain people's trust. It's going to make you feel more confident and able to speak your message and tell your story clearly and effectively. That's what we're going to do. And don't worry, this is not a sales gimmick. This video is to tell you that my channel is full of all the information you need. By the end of this video, I want you to go away and look through my channel and take what you need. Find out what it is you're missing. Find out which area you feel uncomfortable with yourself, physically and emotionally. It's here on my channel. You can take it. It's yours. It's free. If you really wanted to go further and wanted to do it more thoroughly, of course I have an online course, but that's not the point here. The point is that you can do all this directly through my YouTube, free. All right? So this is to help you help yourself find your voice physically, emotionally, mentally, and even, you might say spiritually, because it's a combination of everything about your being that needs to change slowly, consistently, daily in order to find that success, in order to make more money. And you can make more money. So I'm going to give you 3 things to think about now before you go away and search through my videos. Or maybe you want to take my online course, that's fine. Either way, here's what we're going to do. 1. Improve your voice. It's the name of my channel. It's what I do best. And this is how you are going to be able to articulate yourself to others. You're physical. You need to change your physicality in some respect in order to be able to articulate and resonate with others more clearly. So go through my channel as I've suggested and find what works for you. Find out what you need and just do it. Daily, consistent change. That's how you'll do it. Improve your voice, improve your communication skills, improve your life. Number 2, and this is consistency, practice. If you need to communicate by speaking, which you will do in order to get further, practice speaking. Now, if you don't feel comfortable yet with public speaking or speaking with others in a social or business environment, practice. Practice on your own if you have to. Practice in front of the mirror. Go to a shop and speak to strangers, but speak every day. Practice using your voice. It's all very good improving your voice, but if you don't get to practice using it, then, that's a skill you've not developed. It could be that you're in this position because you're quite young and haven't had the opportunities yet. It could be that you work at a computer and you don't often get to speak to people. Or whatever it is in your life that's holding you back from communicating, getting further and earning more money, you really want to start practicing using your voice. So 1, improve your voice. 2, practice using your voice. And thirdly, it's really simple. Keep it consistent. Just keep doing it every day. Improve your voice every day. Practice speaking every day. Every day, consistent, 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 don't stop. Even if you don't like it, even if it feels uncomfortable, believe me, after a certain amount of time, it will become much easier and much more natural to you. Just keep doing it. You don't even have to step out of your house to practice speaking or practice communicating, but you do need to practice daily. And so despite the fact that I produce 1 or 2 videos a week and there's about 70 videos on my channel and you have more than enough to get through, the option of doing an 8-week online course will give you 2 months worth of consistent daily practice to follow, that you don't even have to worry about it. And by the end of that, the tools you will have are set you up for life. And you can pass those tools on to your friends and your family and help others too. And if I was to offer one more piece of advice, it would be that to do this, join a community, a physical, actual community. Maybe it's a yoga class, maybe you like rock climbing, you want to do some of that. Maybe it's a speaking society. I don't know what it is you're into. I don't know what it is you feel comfortable with. But sometimes you've got to step a little bit out of your comfort zone and be around other people. You need community. That will help you practice. It will also feed you with stories. You'll have something to talk about. And when you do have something to talk about, you've got the voice to be able to use to do it, and you practice daily and keep it consistent, you will become a better communicator and you will be worth more money. Whatever it is you do, by having a voice and communicating better, you will earn more money. It is simple as that. I wish you the best on your journey. Be bold, be brave, go out there and do it. I am Darren McStay. This is Improve Your Voice. And until the next time, be bold, be brave, and look after your voice.
I have so many tales to tell.